The March Nightingale by John Clare. Read for LibriVox.org by David Barnes. Now sallow catkins, once all downy white, turn like the sunshine into golden light. The rocking clown leans o'er the spinny rail in admiration at the sunny sight, the while the blackcap doth his ears assail with such a rich and such an early song. He stops his own, and thinks the nightingale hath of her monthly reckoning counted wrong. Sweet jug, 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 comes loud upon his ear, those sounds that unto May by right belong. Yet in the hawthorn scarce a leaf appears. How can it be? Spell-struck, the wandering boy listens again. Again the sound he hears, and mocks it in his song for very joy. End of poem. This recording is in the public domain.